5 minutes from now, this team will save thousands of lives. Under no circumstances does this briefcase leave the area, or it's war.
He's on his way.
Good or bad, when you work for the agency,
All teams in position.
it becomes your whole life. I don't want to spend the rest of my life killing for you.
You're the best agent for this job, Ethan. We need you.
I just want to spend a little more time with my daughter and my wife.
Why did you leave me and Mom?
There's no easy answer, honey.
I was gonna ask you to look after Zoe while I go to London for work.
I can handle it.
You have to make me a promise. Are you done? Are you really done working for them?
What's happening to me?
You're sick, Ethan.
But I could offer you an experimental drug that might just give you your life back.
So I buy back my life by killing for you.
That's the job. You have 3 days to kill.
You know, a lot of my friends' dads are in sales, and not one of them dresses like you.
Dripping down your chest, thinking about your tattoo knuckles on the Bible.
Zoe?
I want to make dinner tonight, and I want to make spaghetti sauce, so I need your help.
Just so happens I'm in a meeting here with a real live Italian. He wants to give you a great recipe. Why don't you say hello to my daughter?
Hello, I am Guido.
Dripping down your chest, thinking about your tattoo knuckles on the Bible. Showering you down, power to control, how I'm
Are you sure this works?
No, but I am sure that if you don't try this drug, you'll be dead in 3 days.
You said there'd be one guy. Not 5. Thought you might want to ride home.
Did you hear that?
The spare's loose in the trunk. Hey, I'm trying to have a conversation with my daughter. I'm sorry, sweetie. Now, where were we?